ChatGPT is more powerful than you think. Here are 10 tips and tricks to get much more out of it, whether for work, learning, business, or personal projects. Number 1. Get better answers with better prompts. Think of ChatGPT like a chef. The more detailed your recipe, prompt, the better the dish. Answer. Be specific. Instead of write about marketing, try write a 200-word social media post promoting a new coffee shop. Use a friendly and humorous tone. Give role plus context. You are an expert HR consultant. Suggest low-cost ways for a small retail business to train staff. Break big tasks into steps. Ask for outlines first, then expand each part. Number 2. Use iteration instead of one-shot request. Don't expect perfection in one go. 1. Ask for a draft. 2. Give feedback, make it more casual, or add real-life examples. 3. Repeat until it feels right. Number 3. Ask for formats. Tell it exactly how you want the answer presented. Tables. Great for comparisons. Pros and cons. Bullet points, quick ideas. Scripts, for training videos or sales pitches. Checklists for step-by-step tasks. Number 4. Combine ChatGPT with your own data. Paste meeting notes, sales data, or project outlines, and ask it to summarize, reformat, or spot insights. You can even paste Excel CSV data for analysis. Number 5. Make ChatGPT your personal coach. Learning explain cloud computing to me as if I am 12. Then give me a harder version. Skill building. Give me 10 practice questions for a project management interview and correct my answers. Number 6. Use ACT as prompts. Tell ChatGPT to take on a role. Act as a legal advisor and explain the risks in this contract. Act as a social media strategist for a small food business. Number 7. Boost creativity. Brainstorming names, slogans, and content ideas. Ask for multiple angles. Give me 5 ways to promote this event from funny to serious. No. 8. Speed up writing and editing. Proofread documents for grammar, clarity, and tone. Rewrite in a different style. Make this more persuasive and shorter. Translate while keeping tone. Number 9. Use follow-up commands. You don't always need a new prompt. Just say, expand on point number 3. Give examples. Summarize this in 3 sentences. Number 10. Save your best prompts. Keep a list of prompts that worked for you, like templates for social posts, reports, or invitations. Reuse and tweak them. Allow us to help you. Contact us now.